Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the time limit on Instagram. For example, if you are too addicted to Instagram and you want to cut the use of Instagram, so you can simply set the time limit for the use of Instagram. As the time overs, you will be you will get a notification that your time is over for today Instagram usage, and you can simply use less the Instagram. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply click on general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on that, and here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now this time you have to simply search for the Instagram on the App Store, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, you have to simply open the Instagram app here, and you have to simply click on profile. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on three lines here. In three lines, you will get many options. So one of the option is time management. So you have to simply click on that. So you can simply find all the details about your time management, or how much time you spend on the Instagram for days and anything like that. So if you want to set the daily time limit, so you have to simply click on daily limit, and after that you can simply select any of the option available. So here the option is available for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour and 2 hours. So you can simply select the time you want to spend on Instagram, so that you not be allowed to use Instagram more than the daily limit time. So in this way you can simply select the daily limit, and after that you will not be able to use the Instagram after that limit. So you in this way you can simply cut short the use of Instagram. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.